Hey, Michael.
What's up, buddy?
What are your thoughts about AI and hiring?
Dude, it's Masters Week. Let me turn this down. AI and hiring. I think companies are afraid of it. People are afraid of it. I think you need to be real careful when you think about machines making decisions that human beings are supposed to be making. I think it's probably a poor business practice. However, you should use AI to complete tasks that a human doesn't need to do, right? For example, we have a platform running out there that you can see that is literally collecting reporting data for me. I don't need an operations manager to put together a report. I have agents going and collecting all this data, and they send me my reports. You need to think about AI in the exact same way, right? You need to have a human build a really cool hiring process and then use a piece of technology to go collect all of that data. So a hiring manager isn't just looking at some resume trying to decipher this and some archaic scheduling process to get to know somebody. Just let the machine collect the data so a human can come back in and say, okay, now I have a complete view of this person. I know what their skills are. I know what their personality is. I know what their interest level is because how quickly they've interacted with. And I've already heard them speak. I've actually talked to them. I've seen their interview sessions. It's a modern way of learning things. And again, whatever data you want, just let that's where you should be using AI. AI is an intelligence engine, but it shouldn't be making human decisions. It should be collecting data to empower a human to make better decisions, make them faster, give them more information. That's what I think about that. I'd be real careful with making, any tool that made decisions on behalf of an employer. I think that's high risk.